What's up, guys? It's been a day. Wow, the lighting is kind of weird, kind of moody. It's been a day, but I want to get right into this because I'm very hungry and I've been waiting a long time to eat the sandwich, and then we'll chat. I got Subway. This is the Italian herbs and cheese bread. I got turkey, cheese, lettuce, cucumber, mayo, honey mustard, and sweet onion sauce with some nacho cheese Doritos. I haven't gotten that sauce combo before. So messy, but so good. This video is courtesy of Clemmy again. He came through with another subscriber sponsored request. It's so good. So hungry. Let's have some of these Doritos. Let's, excuse me. Let's, get a Dorito or two on here. Okay. That's going to be a bite. This is so awkward to oh my gosh. I want that sauce. Oh my gosh, and it's dripping from the butt. Oh my gosh, guys. So saucy. a lot to say since I just saw you yesterday, but hi. What is your go-to Subway order? Do I have sauce on my nose? Yep, I did. Fun fact about Subway. The fun fact is the first time I ever had Subway, I was in high school. My family just didn't eat Subway really. So I had it in high school. This boy that worked there, I had a crush on him. And he was a senior when I was a sophomore. And we never hung out, but we would text a lot. And he made me the first Subway sandwich that I ever had. That's not the fun fact part though. After high school, he came out. He's gay. And he's Brent's cousin. So now I get to see him at Christmas and other family activities. So that's a lot of fun. I don't think he ever knew that I had a crush on him though. And his brother they're twins. But his brother was my manager at Pizza Hut, which was my first job ever. No, it wasn't. It was my second job. But I think it's funny that I had a crush on Brent's gay cousin, who I am now related to. This hair is really annoying me. It's sticking straight out. That's better. I need to know what you guys are watching on Netflix, because I just finished that show that I was telling you about yesterday, Ginny and Georgia. Oh. The corners of my mouth are stained red, so that's cute. But anyways, what are you watching on Netflix? Because I finished that show. Brent and I are watching Hulu. I mean, we're watching Survivor on Hulu. but that's a together show. I need a show to watch by myself. I also have dessert, but my hands are very dirty, so let me wipe up my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, here's dessert. It's a Subway cookie. Chocolate chip, my very favorite kind. I've said it once, I'll say it again. Fast food cookies are some of the best cookies in the game. They're so good. How? The outsides are nice and crispy, and the inside it's soft and chewy. It's freaking good. Last bite. Well, this was delicious. Something's in my throat. I might be dying, but I hope not. Anyways, this was very good. Another big thank you to Clemmy for hooking me up today. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. I'll see you next time.